Good morning. As you've just seen, it's going on a little bit today. Tom is laying the porcelain patio. I'm going to finish off them 3 runs, going from there all the way around to this pillar. And young blood, our Oliver, is just putting mixes on up there for Tom. As soon as that mix is on, which it is now, he's cutting a block, coming down here, helping me lay. We are busy, but we've only got that to do, that wall to do, and these flags to do. But these are in tomorrow. I've got tomorrow off. These are in tomorrow. But literally, if they get this down, I can have tomorrow off, can't I? So, have a steady weekend. He lives in the countryside now, doesn't he? Going around seeing all them big hairy cows. What are they called? Highland cows. Obsessed with them now. He's found a field with Highland cows in. He's just takes selfies of them all the time. I'll pop one up here. So we are a little bit busy today. But in a way, job and knock. But in a way, get on with it. Do you know what I mean? So, I'm a nice guy sometimes, aren't I? I'm a nice guy. Catch you soon. Right.
Come on.
No.
You just don't want it to go on here, you know? Don't make it fucking loud.
So Tom's laying that flag. We lifted it because chips. You get chips. You get chips in the corner. I think of chip butters all the time. You get chips in the corner, and when you go out in, you can see them because obviously it's man-made. It's clay, 3 layers of clay, and then the print at the top. So all you see is like a little grey-brown chipping corner, and it stands out so bad. But that'll just get. Probably won't get used. He's just thrown it on the floor, so it probably won't get used for a cut. But yeah, that's the thing about porcelain. It's a lot of money per square metre. So put some on it as a profit, but also if you got 40 square metres, get 44 square metres. I know you can always take them back. You know what I mean? You always get refunded. But you've just got it on site because there's so many chips, you can take them back and go, look, all these are chips. You know what I mean? Check them before you lay them. But yeah, that's a ball ache about porcelain. So we'll crack back on. Thought I'd tell you, thought I'd let you know. Why? Who can't? Right guys, that was the last flag to be laid there. I've had to shoot off. I've just been to pick our lass's car up from MOT. Obviously, I was writing something down the other day and I was like, where can I write? Pulled out a piece of paper, our lass's MOT certificate, and it was 2 weeks out of date. So I've just been shoved that in yesterday from a family member. They rushed it through for us, and then I've just picked it up today. So that needed picking up, and now just before it's getting dark, I have just been to see a fence repair. Obviously, with the delightful winds that we've just had, obviously generates work for us guys, which is nice. I often think when I lay in bed, I can just hear that wind battering in front of the house, blowing bins and stuff like that. I'm like, bring on the wind. Gives us work in winter. So yeah, I've just been there. Old customer from probably about, I've had her since 2016. She was one of my first customers when they moved house. So yes, I've just had a mass been chilled out all day doing that wall, running around for sand for them. And then all of a sudden it's like, oh my god, we need to go, and I just disappeared. So I forgot to film it, sorry. So anyway, less of that. It's time to go sit in traffic now to get home. But I'll see you on Monday. We're having a long weekend this weekend. We're having Friday off, and we're back there on Monday. So I'll see you on Monday, 8 o'clock sharp.